Oh yeah, nah. Make we dance, make we vibe, make we flex. Obani joy, he know they stress. Every day na blessing, I no fit complain. Even when it hard, I go still maintain. Na Baba God they guide my lane, so no shaking, wahala no go remain. Hustle don't pay, see me they shine. Enemies won't try, but they no feel rewind. I dey waka with grace, I dey glow. Now my time make a show. I'm no darling, make you dance. Life too short, make we jolly day go.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I pray that you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new video, and you can find this wig that I'll be showcasing to you guys today on Amazon, and it does come from Unice. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links provided in the info section below. So as you guys can see, I have one of their new half wigs. This half wig is their new blend secure half wig. As you guys can see, it does have the kinky band line, so it blends in with your natural hair, so you don't have to pull out too much leave out when it comes to these half wigs. So my wig is 24 inches long. It's in that beautiful kinky curly texture. It has the 4C edge band line, and this is perfect for thinning hair or balding edges. Now this half wig does feature their flip blend cap, which blends effortlessly with your natural hair. It has the stress-free comb, so you don't have to worry about it damaging your hair, and it also has the invisible drawstring, so therefore you can get a nice custom and comfortable fit no matter what your head size is. And this wig can be worn with minimal leave out, with or without a headband. So right now I'm just going in and redefining the curls per usual. I want to get some nice clumpy curls so that it can blend effortlessly in with my natural hair. So I'm going to continue to do that, and if you guys are interested in any of the products that I'm using, I will have everything listed in the info section below. Okay, so this is several hours later. I just let my wig sit and air dry, and this is what it looks like. I did develop a slight little cast around the hair, so I like to just kind of scrunch the hair up in my hands just to kind of break that off. Here's my natural hair. I do have two cornrows that I removed, and I kind of have like a little braid out going, and this braid out was kind of old, so don't mind it. I do have a little bit of frizz. My hair's a little bit dry, but it's still gonna work, I promise you guys. So I went ahead and I put the wig on. I am adjusting the drawstring in the very back, and you guys, look at how flawlessly my hair blends in with that 4C kinky edge band line. Again, I only have two cornrows out in the very front of my hair. I didn't take out ear to ear hair or anything like that. This is perfect for those of you guys who want to pull out just a very minimal amount of hair. The wig will definitely blend in with your edges. So this is what this half wig is looking like, y'all. I was a little skeptical about it, but the way that it turned out, flawless, y'all. I'm so used to wearing synthetic half wig. It's so good to have an actual human hair half wig that I can redefine, that I can color if I want to, that I can flat iron if I want to, and it blends in perfectly with my own natural hair. I just want to give you guys a quick little 360, let you guys see all angles. This hair is super versatile. I'm going to show you guys different ways that I'm wearing this unit. Now my wig did come with little headbands, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw that on to give you guys this first little look. So for this next style, I kind of want to see how this hair looks like tossed over to the side with that kinky edge band line blended in with my hair, and this is what is giving. Alright you guys, so this is what this unit looks like. Again, you guys can pick up this wig over on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details located in the info section below. Again, this wig does come from Unice. Now, if you guys are interested in this wig, they do have a coupon code on Amazon that you can apply to your order when you check out if you want to save some extra coins. Now, you guys, just look at this hair. Like, just look at it. Like, I love how natural it looks. I do kind of want to lighten it just a tad bit so it can really blend in with my hair, but for the most part, y'all, I don't really need to. I think that it blends in perfectly. So you guys definitely check out this unit. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.